how to play music on Google Home using Spotify. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon, and here on the bottom, there's a section called Home Settings. Simply tap on Home Settings. So this is the place where you can customize and have different options. Here on the top, there are different sections available. So simply swipe right. Here there's a section of music and podcasts. So you can select the one, and here I'm tapping on one. So here on the bottom, you'll be able to find this Spotify button. So make sure you want to connect it with Spotify. Simply tap on Spotify. So after you do this, you must add your Spotify account and it will be directly linked with your Google Home. Later, you can have full access and control of Spotify using Google Home. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.